Hey everyone, today I will show you how to change Instagram password. And here's how it is done. Step 1. Access Instagram settings. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines hamburger menu in the top right corner to open the menu. Select settings from the menu. Depending on your app version, the settings location might vary, but it is easy to spot. Step 2. Navigate to Security. In the Settings menu, click on Security. Look for the password option. If you have trouble locating it, use the search bar at the top and type in password. Step 3. Update your password. Once you select password, a new page will appear. Enter your current password in the first field. Type your new password in the second field and re-enter it in the third field to confirm. Step 4. Follow Instagram's password requirements. Ensure your new password meets Instagram criteria, which typically include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers or special characters, at least 8 characters long. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your new password, click the Save button to confirm. You are all set. Your new password is now active, keeping your account secure. And that is everything you need to know about how to change Instagram password. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.